Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix apps not downloading problem on new iPhone. So guys, if you are using new iPhone and want to download apps and facing the issue that can't download apps on your new iPhone or iPad, so guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, now from here you have to click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to disconnect VPN if connected, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now the main thing is you need to log in your Apple ID on your iPhone or on your iPad. As you can see here, I have logged in my Apple ID here. So guys, if you have not any Apple ID, you have to create a new one from here. And after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open App Store here. And after this, you have to click at your main profile icon, and you need to log in your Apple ID on App Store as well. So guys, after doing this, you have to download any app and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to go back and open your settings again. Scroll it down. Here is the option of general, and from here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After doing this, you have to go back, click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And after this, you have to click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And now you have to go back. After this, you have to click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after download and install that update on your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, you have to contact with Apple Support and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.